This is a sales sheet. Or is it a sell sheet? Either way, it doesn't matter. It's a little piece of paper or an image that you can use to make your artwork shine. I made them using a layout program from Adobe called InDesign. Hi, my name is Christy Westberg. I'm an artist and surface pattern designer living in Pasadena, California. I make artwork using block printing, my iPad, and pretty much any other medium you can think of. In this class, I'll show you how to make your own set of custom templates so that you can make sales sheets quickly and easily to pitch your artwork to art directors and other companies for licensing. First, we'll make a list of the types of art you create. Then we'll sketch out some layout ideas to make your work shine. I'll take you on a tour of InDesign. And finally, we'll take your sketches and turn them into your own set of sales sheet templates. This class is perfect for InDesign beginners. Think of it as just dipping your toe in the pool of InDesign. It's not a deep dive. I'm just going to show you the bare minimum that you need to get your perfect set of custom sales sheet templates up and running. Ready to get started? See you in class.